gotta go downstairs.
You did it now, Buzz. Sorry, Woody. You know how Doritos make me burp. Don't look at me. Wow, those nacho cheese Doritos really do hit the spot. What's with all the burps? Try one, buddy. See? Nothing at all. Woody, where's your manners?
That sounded like it came from my room.
Let me try one of those Doritos. Wow, these are yummy. What have we done? It's a bonanza of belches. Guys, we may be in trouble. Liam is coming. My turn.
Something fishy's going on around here. How did these get here? I'm hungry.
Wait, Liam, you don't want to do that.
Why?
They're full of burps.
That's crazy.
No, it's true. See?
Nope. See? You're right.
Woody, our Dorito days are over.
Let's go outside and play.
Wow, that magic spell worked, giving Doritos burp gas. Now to take it off and enjoy them all to myself.